Hey, welcome back to D-Loney V8 Motorsports and Burns Brothers Performance. We're talking about what's happening today and what's going to happen in the future. So,
yeah,
tell us.
Yeah, a little shop update. So, just got done with the 71 Chevelle engine redo and reinstallation. So that one's going away tomorrow. This one here, this 56 Chevy that Rob Louthan owns, this one is really close. I got a picture of the engine the other day. It's almost ready to come to me. So I'm thinking Friday after Christmas, so the 27th. Wait, 26th? What day's Christmas on? 25th.
The 25th.
Okay, so 26th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So really quick though.
It's that Cascade Mac.
That photo. So this looks like a mild-mannered 56 Chevy.
Yeah.
How many cubic inches is that engine?
He told me it's a 409. So is that a 40 or I don't even know how you get to a 409.
Yeah, 40 or 60.
It's probably 408.6 or something. So
okay.
anyways, yeah.
AFR headed, two 4 barrels.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's an old vintage intake. So that's gonna be pretty cool sitting here.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna clear the master cylinder. I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's kind of wide.
I would think so.
Cross
I
ram.
mean, yeah. But yeah, it's gonna be really cool in this car with the 4L60E transmission. So it'll be nice driver actually. Really, it should cruise down the road pretty good.
Headers, you're doing X pipe.
Yep, new coated headers and a 2.5-inch X pipe exhaust. So with tailpipes all the way out to the back. So yeah, looking forward to getting on that one. So it's been sitting here for a couple months waiting for the engine to be done. It's about ready. So and then besides the 56 here, I have another project coming in. It's a 66 Chevelle, 454 4-speed, really nice car. I actually had it in here one other time doing a really minor repair on it, but we're gonna get that car in here, pull the engine out. We're gonna recam it and just do a couple little things, you know, maintenance type items, transmission, seal that up a little bit. And then I think the heater controls. So there's just some miscellaneous stuff to do to that car while we have it in here. And then have another rig coming in. Some of you might remember the Dan Ellis 57 Chevy, the silver borrowed parts car.
Yep.
Yeah, so Dan bought a little Chevy pickup. I believe it's like a 67, 68 short wide. I think the plan is to put AC on it with a gear vendor's overdrive. I think so. I'm sure that once that project gets closer, we'll discuss the details. But nice little truck from what I've seen in the pictures right here. So yeah, it's looking up. I have a couple other projects maybe in the wings. I have had a couple other people contact me, small stuff, nothing huge. So yeah, we're gonna stay busy. The plan is to keep the shop busy till late spring and then take the summer off from working in the shop.
Are you going to the March meet?
March meet. It's funny, we were just discussing this. We have several friends that are going to the March meet this year.
Yeah.
And that's our goal. I won't be taking the El Camino. I already decided that. We will be going to the March meet.
Yeah.
I'll be cheering on our buddies. I think there's that we know of 3 or 4 guys right now from our area that are going. So we're looking forward to going down there and cheering on our buddies. So yeah.
Nice. All right, Brett, if you're watching this, are we going to the March meet?
Brett,
it's my
come
question.
on, Brett, let's go. And Fred.
And Fred.
Fred's
yeah,
gotta
are we
go.
going? Yeah.
But if Brett goes, he's got to take the 55.
Yeah, it's a must.
Yeah, we're gonna have to push for that one.
Okay.
So
Yep. Can't leave without it.
yeah.
All right, well, thanks for watching, folks. Obviously, there's going to be a stream of projects. That's going to mean a stream of videos. Woohoo!
Yeah.
It's going to be fun.
Stream of miles for Dave.
There you go. Yep, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share with your friends.
Yeah, tell everybody.
Thanks for watching.